One important thing to keep in mind when writing an essay is matching the thesis with the body paragraph topic sentence. So let's illustrate this with this simple example. Describe your perfect go-to place for when you want to relax. So a student has written this as the thesis. One of my go-to spots is something exciting. Then we see the topic sentence is here. My ideal place to hang out would definitely be Universal Studios, etc. Right? Okay, so this is linking then with someplace exciting. This is the key word in the thesis. Okay, Revenge of the Mummy ride is one of their examples. So this all connects. We can see that the example, Revenge of the Mummy, and the concept of the topic sentence match the keyword in the thesis. However, the problem is here. The question prompt is asking us for a place where we want to relax. So the student has instead just focused on this perfect go-to place. They have forgotten to focus on relax. So how to fix this then is they might say, oh, okay, I'm going to rewrite this entire paragraph and everything if I realize this. However, this is not necessary. What we need to do is say, look, it's exciting, but it helps me relax. So we have to rewrite part of the paragraph instead of changing it all. Okay, so now they have added this sentence, after a long day, I'll definitely feel more relaxed. We can see that now we say the exciting place makes her relax. They have fixed it. After a long day of roller coasters, I'll feel more relaxed. So the examiner might expect the student to describe a relaxing place. But here, now the student has reimagined this, so exciting place helps her relax. When I want to relax, I go somewhere exciting. So we need to notice, though, that we have to address the idea of relax. So we can keep checking. Does my topic sentence here match with my thesis idea? Then we check again. Does my thesis idea, as we write, check with the keyword in the prompt? And we check again, yes, it does. So from this, we can see that it's important to match three things: the prompt keyword or keywords and the thesis. The thesis keyword should match the prompt's keyword, and the topic sentence and examples should match both the thesis keyword and the prompt's keyword.